Hi, Dean Holland here, and I'm super excited to announce that we just opened registration for the Quick Start Challenge of 2015. This is a special, unique 4-week live coaching class that we've been running every year for the last 3 years. Now this year, I've partnered up with 2 other marketers to make this even bigger and better than ever before. So I'm bringing in Craig Crawford and Robert Phillips, who have made over $1.1 million in the last 18 months together online. Together, the 3 of us will be working with you to transform your business and income fast. So let me tell you what this is all about. You've just luckily stumbled upon this special bonus page where we've put together a collection of special tailored Facebook bonuses for you, because that's one of the things we'll be covering. You see, right now in this marketplace, everybody's scrambling trying to figure out how to use Facebook to get traffic and make money. But there's a hidden set of complications that nobody's really speaking about, and it's those that are holding people back from actually succeeding with Facebook. So in week 3, when we start covering traffic, we'll be sharing with you a specific Facebook ad strategy to get both free and paid traffic from Facebook quickly and easily. In fact, let me give you the lowdown on everything you'll be learning in the Quick Start Challenge in a brief overview. As I say, the Quick Start Challenge is a live 4-week coaching class where we'll take you from where you are now to real results in 28 days or less. In fact, if you can follow simple instruction each week in the challenge, you'll see yourself progress and finally getting results. In week 1, we're going to show you how to establish yourself and position yourself online right from the beginning. So even if you're a brand new newbie right now and you've never made any money, you actually have an advantage, and we'll share that with you in week 1. Next, once we've done that, we'll get you ready and set up to start building your email list. It's an essential thing that every online marketer has to do, and we'll make it so simple for you, you'll likely be building your list by the time week 3 arrives. Which in week 3, we're going to help you turn on the traffic tap in your business. Now, I don't know what it is you've been doing so far, but if you don't have traffic consistently, you'll never get results. That's why we're going to share with you a few specific strategies to get both free and paid traffic in your business. We'll be covering free methods using Facebook and other secret platforms that we'll share with you. And also, we'll be teaching some paid strategies, which include a unique Facebook ad strategy we've recently been using to make thousands of dollars a week online. Finally, in week 4, once you're set up, once you're established and ready to build your list and seeing the traffic flow, we're going to teach you our monetization strategies, including how to start earning commissions without ever creating a product, and how to put that on complete autopilot so you can make money whilst you sleep or take vacations. Now, all in all, over the 28 days of the Quick Start Challenge, we look to take you from here to results in as quick a possible time as we can. Now, don't worry, the Quick Start Challenge is not a coaching class that costs thousands of dollars, because this is all about giving back to the marketplace. I've been fortunate enough to make millions of dollars over the last few years, and the Quick Start Challenge is the one time every year I come out and do something not for profit here, but to actually give back. So go ahead and claim your place and claim the bonuses by clicking through below on this page, and you'll see what it's all about. In fact, we've got a few surprises waiting for you, including giving you the chance to win over $20,000 in prizes just by taking part. So go ahead and claim your place while the chance is still here, and we'll see you in the inside of the challenge over the next few days.